everyone, it's Alice Turner here with Supporting Her, here with another tip for labor and birth. Today's pretty basic and it's all about pillows. So when you are packing your hospital bag, packing for the birth center, getting ready for your home birth, wherever you'll be giving birth, make sure you have plenty of pillows ready. Pillows are great when you want to be doing different positions, which is really important, and supporting when you're laying down, making things comfortable, putting them behind a back, putting them behind your neck, cuddling them in bed when you're in labor. Pillows are so helpful. It's great to have a few around. And the reason that I suggest bringing them with you if you are birthing at a hospital or birth center is because sometimes we see shortages where you get to your birthing location and they might only have a couple or one pillow available for you to use. And that is just not enough if you want to have lots of options in labor. So have some pillows ready. Now, don't just grab the pillows from your bed. I mean, they might be okay, but a couple things to think about when you are packing pillows. Put them in non-white pillowcases. So like this case has a pattern. You can easily identify which pillow is yours so that it won't get mixed into your hospital or birth center's laundry, and that'll be ready to go. You'll know that's my pillow. So don't bring a white pillowcase, bring a pattern or a colored pillowcase. Bring several, and don't bring those really expensive pillows that are your favorites. So if you have a foam pillow, something that was kind of an investment, don't bring those, leave those at home, because there is a chance that your pillow might get wet or it might get some blood on it, and it would be better to have some inexpensive pillows that you can just grab and be ready to go for the day of labor. So packing pillows, don't forget those when you are getting ready for your birth. And the other thing is pillows are not just great for the person in labor, they're also great for the partner. So if there is time that the person giving support can take a quick nap, it's great to have a pillow available and not have to rely on the birthing location to provide one. They might have them, but better be safe than sorry. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please just click on the like, leave me a comment, let me know if you brought pillows to your birth or if you're going to pack them or if you recommend them, and share with someone who might need this. Okay guys, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.